this is a barber shop? Man, I'm a bum anyway. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, man? I need fresh cut, bro.
What's up, man? How can I help you?
Hey, man, I'm just looking for a haircut. You see this going on? Man, this is some crazy action, man. Like, I need you to do whatever you possibly can, man.
Stop talking. Have a seat. Yelling that you did here. Don't do that again, right?
Alright, bro. I'm sorry,
like a normal person. Let me know what you think, man.
Whoa, dude. This is crazy, man. Like, I was a caveman. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the back. That's crisp. That's super crisp, man. Like, sugar and spice and everything nice, man.
Alright. I need you to get out of my chair.
Alright. I guess I'm just gonna go like this, right? Okay.